Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I pretty much just got the best news ever. If you have a Prime phone, like you have one of these phones exclusive to Amazon Prime, you probably got that email too, where pretty much they're going to disable the Amazon ads on the lock screen. So if you didn't know about this before, what happened is when you would try to unlock your phone, you'd have to go through like the Amazon ad first. So even if you would unlock it, it would still be another additional step. So Amazon has decided that they are going to disable the Amazon lock screen ads. And this is probably going to change the game for a small bit, because if you think about some of the phones that are available on Amazon Prime, you've got the Q6, the LG X Charge, you've got the G6 Plus, you've got the Moto G5 Plus, you've got the Nokia 6, you've got the Moto X4, and you've got the Moto E4. So there's a lot of pluses to them doing this to these Amazon phones. Now the phones are probably, they're just like their unlocked phones. They're like any other phone. They just have all that Amazon bloatware baked in, and predominantly it's the lock screen. So if you have an Amazon Prime phone, you should have gotten this email too. Fantastic news. I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are too. And now I think Amazon is probably trying to move some of these units on their website. I'm looking at the website. I think Amazon's trying to get rid of this inventory. And another thing is they probably got a lot of complaints about people saying, I got to take this extra step. When in all actuality, that comes with being an Amazon Prime phone. So not too many complaints can come in. But I think I guess I didn't complain about it. It didn't really bother me too much. But now not having to access the Amazon ads on the front screen at all is absolutely great. I think they did right by their customers by putting it into an app form. And basically what the email said was, we're going to give you more freedom over your lock screen, and then also you're going to be able to go in and what it said was you're going to get an update as soon as you connect to Wi-Fi, and it'll disable the lock screen ads, and then you'll have more freedom over your lock screen. That's pretty much what the email said. And when I saw that, I thought it was an error. I had to read the entire thing. I was like, whoa, they are tripping right now. So pretty much, if you want a discount on a phone, go ahead and buy an Amazon Prime phone. Because in the email, it also said that you're still going to be able to get the phones at a discounted price. And that, my friend, is a huge plus. So you see how these Amazon ads are on here? Eventually, rolling out today, February 6th, there's going to be an update that hits. And all you have to do is, it says the next time you connect to Wi-Fi, it's going to start rolling out, and you'll get it eventually. So that's a huge plus. So shout out to Amazon for taking care of their customers. And I really appreciate it, because I use Prime, I don't know how many times a week. So this is good news. Spread the news. Share this video. Retweet it on Twitter. Share it on Google+, wherever you're looking at it at. It's your man Jay Will. Amazon Prime phones just got a serious bump in recognition. And I think a lot of people are now going to start buying these Amazon Prime phones at the discounted prices, because they'll still have that Amazon bloatware in there, but it won't be on your lock screen. So if you have like fingerprint reader, you won't have to unlock it and then swipe up and do that extra step. So Prime members, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So there was all kind of hacks out there where you can just go in and disable it. But now they kind of did a Samsung Bixby move and just say, you know what? Let's just turn it off. So it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Eagle Nation. I had to. Champs, baby.